what's up? It's your boy Marketing with Dom, flyest marketer in the game. But guess what? I use AI tools and test them so you don't have to. Today, we're going to be using ugcvideo.ai. And I have a couple things that I wanted to test out, and I want to see you see it in real time. I've already done some examples and stuff like that, so I really do like the way that it creates these advertisements for me. And I'm going to start using them, and I'm definitely going to do an updated video on how those ads work out for me. But first of all, I'm going to actually do a full-on walkthrough of what this software can do, what you can create, and we're going to go inside of it so that you can test it out. First of all, I'm going to tell you, based on the system already, as you watch this video and I walk through what it can do for you, I like it, okay? I do like it. And so I'm going to be creating more and more ads using this, and I want you to be able to do the same thing, especially if you're trying to market a product on TikTok, YouTube, or another platform where you need to be able to use the products, okay? So we're going to go right into it. We're going to jump on the screen, and we're going to get it popping right now, okay? If you want to try it out, okay? So I'm telling you that's straightforward because after using it, I was like, oh, we in here, okay? So I wanted to create a couple different things that you can use in here. One, a UGC creator. Now, you can actually generate ads here, okay? UGC imaging. I've already used these two. I wanted to create one because my brand that I use for my company is a tree. This one was a little bit crazy, so I had to make it a little bit nicer, okay? Look a little bit more friendly. And then you can see your UGC videos, and you can create them with those characters that you create. So I want to do a UGC video for an advertisement. So I'm going to add and upload the actual photos that I have of a product that my mom uses for her business. And I'm going to put that in there. Oh, it says the size, it needs to be at least. Are all of them that problem? This is going to be crazy. I may have to show you something else. I don't know if it's loading or not. Oh, it's loading. All right, cool. Got it. Saving that photo. Okay. And I'm going to add myself an influencer, So anyone that I've created, you can actually just use one from the community. It'll pop up here. I'm going to use this guy right here. Prompt. Okay. And I want him to talk about how using this has all the big brand smells, but it lasts so much longer. He can go out all day and get people saying, oh my God, he still smells so good, even after 6 or 7 hours of having it on there. Unlike other products, it's real oil that survives and lands and good for your skin. But, at the end of the day, you want to make sure you smell good all day without having to put on a non-oiled based smell good material that only makes it last for a couple of hours. You want that thing to stay on you so through the thick and thin, people smell the best of you. Bam, so I dropped that. Then I get to choose an actual, let's go with English. I want it to be young, want it to be a male, and then you can listen to them, okay? So I'm going to start this process in generating it with the product. I want to have them be able to use it. It's going to take its time. It's going to actually start to generate the process, okay? And so, listen, I want you to remember one thing. While it's generating, let it do its thing. I'm going to see if I can actually go and create a character at the same time. I'm going to generate probably from the community because I'm going to want a few other people using it. I'm going to try this guy right here, recreate him. Bam, it's telling me, boom, 30 years old. It's giving me the definition so that I can recreate that person immediately. And I want 2 different versions of him. So I'm going to generate that. Guess what? With the basic pro program, you're going to get 1,000 credits a month. I'm telling you, if you're trying to put out videos for your marketing, for your company, and you want it to be better and better every time, I'm telling you, you should use it. You can actually go with the style as well that you want to create. Do you want them cartoon? Do you want them with clay? Do you want it realistic, right? You want it like a photo, photorealistic. What level do you want it? Okay. And so that's also cool if you're trying to create characters for your business or cartoons to try to get it to that level where it's super, super fun and intelligent. Okay. So we're going to go back over here to the video. It's saying it's still going to take 3 minutes. So what we're going to do is these just got created. So we're here. Okay. And so I want to use a reference character, right? So I'm going to go back to this. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to upload another photo. Save it. Okay, sound effects. I want some sound effects on there too. And I want 2 versions of this. I want to do a complete unboxing. I want to make sure that they see it coming out of a box, knowing that it smells good, and they should even roll it across their neck and their wrists because that's where the smell typically lasts the longest. Whether they even roll it across their clothes because they want that smell to stay in their clothes as well. Amazing. So give me some human, realistic unboxing and rolling of this product on their clothes. So I'm going to take that, and it says it's going to take a video. It's going to be 8 seconds. It's going to take a couple hundred credits. Let's go with, I'm going to use a bunch of credits. I'm going to make it 15 seconds. So I'm going to use 300 credits right here, guys. Bam. We are out here using these credits, okay? So they're uploading and creating videos right now. Let's see where this video is at. It's at 2 minutes now. It's creating. So that's the cool part, is that you can create characters. You can pick from characters here. Let's say we want some women buying the actual, oil perfume. So let's see about the age group. You might want them here. Bam, recreate it here. I want to recreate this. I can download it, but I want to be able to continuously do this so that I can use it for products, services, and things that I have on very quick and easy advertisement videos. All right. So if you're in the market of looking for an AI to be able to create UGC creators for your brand or business, especially if you're using it on TikTok. But guess what? Here's one thing I'll tell you. This is simple for people who aren't extremely tech savvy. Guys, I know there's softwares out there that promise you the world, but I use AI tools all the time. They're not always simple to use, especially not this simple, okay? I want them holding the product and really discovering the amazingness and telling them that it doesn't just last for a moment, it lasts for a lifetime, right? Jokingly, I want to tell them that it's going to last me minutes and minutes in on that side to be able to really stay on my neck and survive for long term. All right. And so that's what I wanted to be able to do, is I wanted to be able to create the sound and image of the actual client that is growing the business. So we're going to go with a female this time. We're going to go middle-aged. I want to excite it. And so let's see what this, okay. So we're going to add this right here, guys. And so what we're going to do is we're going to check out what this one is able to do. Ooh, loving it. Okay, guys, loving it. Okay, so this is what you were able to do and create multiple. I'm going to create another one just because, we out here. I'm telling you, we create another one. And it literally created the script from my prompt of the things that I said to it, as well as created the overall look and smell. It even got the B-roll. Facts. This isn't a cheap alcohol spray. Fire. All right, so if you guys are looking at this video, the link is down in the bio. Do not miss out. But this is what you can do to really help yourself produce more videos and content from AI UGC users, so that it's not just seems like it's you using it, and you can get it out there on other people before you start getting real testimonials. You can really do it. All right. Love it. Appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel. Continuously give me a thumbs up. If you love the content, put a comment down below. Let me know what you think, or if there's any tools you want me to use while I'm in this process. All right. I appreciate you guys. Stay up. See you guys on the next video. Let's go.